Hello, this is on the home page of the Canva application, and you can see the template here. First of all, if you want to make some changes in the color of the leaves, so select this one and make the change according to your own choice. So if I want to change it to black, I think black will also be a beautiful, you can see. Okay, and now I'll select it and uh, select it to the uh, click it and make editing to the text. For example, I want to okay, I want to finish that and I want to add a new text. So the text has been selected. Now what I have to do, just I have to make the changes in the text that I want. So as it has been selected, now I'm going to make the changes. I'm going to cancel all and right here freshly foods, freshly, okay, foods, food, okay, and also going to make the change in the font style. I always consider or like the font Racing Sans, so I select it, Racing Sans font, okay, and now make it like and change all, okay, and now you can also underline the main heading by going to the format option, and after going to format you click on the underline. You'll see that it has been underlined. Now if you want to change the background color, you can also select the background color by choosing multiple colors. Which color you find the best, you will finally select. For example, that one no, that one somehow no, yeah, somehow that one. I think that one is somehow beautiful, but I will select this one. Okay, this one is looking beautiful of the all. So finally, I've selected it, and now we will download our design. Click on the download. After clicking on the download, you will click on the save. As soon as you click on the save, you see your design starts to be prepared. So as soon as your design uh, gets prepared, you will see that your design is going to be prepared. Finally, it has been prepared, and ultimately it will be saved to the gallery section. And now cross it, and so thank you for watching the video till end. If you find the video informative, please like the video, subscribe the channel with the pressing the bell icon. If you find it knowledgeable and informative, share with the other friends also. Goodbye, meet in the next video again.